Today I am sharing a Walmart grocery haul with you. So for our meal plan for this week, on Friday I'm having a girls' night at my house, so I am making bacon wrapped little smokies. And then for dessert, I'm making a cinnamon roll poke cake, which I'm really excited about. You will see that recipe in an upcoming vlog. Saturday, we're just gonna have frozen pizza. Saturday is kind of our chill day, so we just kind of figure it out. Sunday, we're going to do chili with Fritos, and then Monday, we'll do chili with hot dogs because when I make chili, I usually make like a double batch so I don't have to cook for 2 days. And then Tuesday is a new recipe, which I'm excited about. It's called sheet pan cashew chicken, and then I'm going to serve it with some rice. Wednesday is our leftover night. Thursday is you're on your own. And then here lately, I've been writing down like my breakfast, lunch, and everything. So for breakfast prep, I've got overnight oats, and I usually eat those with cottage cheese. For lunch, I'm going to roast up some broccoli and potatoes, which I already have in my pantry. And I'm also going to make some tuna salad, which I have most of those ingredients in my pantry already. For my husband's work, I just took a note that I needed to get him Lunchables, Gatorade, and Honey Buns. And then for dessert this week, just to have, I'm sure it'll be gone way before the week is up, but I'm going to make some banana bread with some frozen bananas that I have. So let me go ahead and share with you this week's grocery haul. Okay, this week is a lot smaller. I only spent about $100. I have had some requests to put the prices on the screen, so I will try to do that. It's just a lot of work. And because I order my groceries online, it's not like I have a receipt in front of me. So I will try. If I don't get to it, then kind of just is what it is. But it is kind of a lot of work to do that. But anyway, this is a smaller grocery haul because if you missed it, last week I went to Sam's Club and I stocked up on some meats and just, some snacks and stuff. So I don't have to buy those every week. So probably for the next 2 or 3 weeks, my grocery hauls are going to be a little bit smaller. And because of the way I meal prep, I figure out what I have in my pantry first and then I meal plan. So down here, I got some honey buns for my husband. This will last him a couple weeks. He just takes a honey bun for breakfast pretty much every day. So that'll last him a while. I got him some Lunchables for lunch as well. He has requested Lunchables lately. So got him 2 of the pepperoni mozzarella and then 2 of the turkey and cheddar. The cinnamon roll cake that I am making called for heavy whipping cream. So I got a little thing of that. And then I also got some corn chips for when we have our chili night. I have some cream cheese in the fridge that I wanted to get used up. So I got some of these keto bagel thins, and so I'll use that for some breakfast this week as well, or with the kids. Also, I got some of this 1/3 less fat cream cheese for the dessert that I'm making. I tried to make some healthier choices. So we'll see. I'm sure it's going to taste fine. For my tuna salad this week, I went ahead and just bought these hard-boiled eggs because I didn't really feel like getting out my Instant Pot for 2 eggs. So I just got them pre-made and it's so easy. I also got some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to shred my own just because it tastes better. And then when you put it in stuff like chili and stuff, it melts a little bit better. Hot dogs for when we have chili dogs. Hot dog buns for chili dogs. For the cashew chicken sheet pan, I got some deluxe whole cashews, and I think these are roasted and salted as well, but this was the only option that they had as far as whole cashews. A lot of the other stuff was like halves and pieces, so I had to get this big thing, but I'm sure my husband will eat those. I'm not worried about that at all. For the cinnamon roll cake, I got some white cake mix, and then I also opted for instant rice this time. I normally make it in the Instant Pot, but I just want to try the instant rice and see what we think. I also got some spice cake mix for when I make the banana bread. I'm sure that recipe will be in a vlog as well. My husband requested Dr. Pepper, so I got him Dr. Pepper this week. And then for the cashew chicken sheet pan dinner, I got a red pepper and a green pepper. And then I also got sweetened condensed milk for that cinnamon roll cake recipe. For bacon wrapped little smokies, I got some of these cheddar little smokies. I got 2 packs. I also got some lettuce because I've been eating a lot of salads recently. This lettuce does not look very good, so I might have to go and just get ahead of lettuce and stop buying the shredded. I like buying the shredded because it's just easier to eat and it's just a grab and go type of thing. But the last couple weeks they haven't given me lettuce that looks very good, so Anyways, I might actually request my money back on that because it's not looking very good. Also got some center cut bacon for the bacon wrapped smokies. This is our favorite chili seasoning, the Chili O by French's. It's really, really good. Highly recommend if you have not tried. For the chili, I've already got diced tomatoes in my fridge or in my freezer. And then I'm also going to add some peppers that I already have, but tomato sauce. And then I got 3 cans of these mixed chili beans. It's got dark red kidney beans, pinto beans, black beans, and chili sauce. So the chili sauce will give it some flavor too. And these are the beans that I buy anyways. So I just went ahead and got 3 of those. I got an 18 count of eggs. Eggs are going down in price at my Walmart. I think they're around like $7. So let me know how much eggs are where you live. But here in southern Missouri, I do see them going down. I got some Fairlife for my overnight oats, and then also a gallon of milk for my daughter, basically. She is the one that drinks most of the milk around here, and then my husband has it in his ice cream. Makes like a little milkshake situation. And then we were all out of Gatorade for my husband, so I got him some Gatorade. So yeah, that is it for this week's grocery haul. A smaller one, but it'll get us by for this week. But hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye.